Hi everyone, so I'm back today. I thought I would just do a day in the life video because I haven't filmed one of these for a while. So I'm just sitting here now looking at my YouTube. I'm going to go over analytics and stuff and see how things are going. I've just made myself a double espresso with milk and I've added chocolate chips to it, and Thomas is just sitting here on the couch playing a little game on the iPad. I'm going to do a little bit of calendar updates on my diary, and I think we're going to just pop out this morning and do some errands. I've taken Ryan already to school this morning. Dan's at the gym right now, and then he's home for an admin day, and then I told Ryan that I would pick him up from school, so I'll be doing that about 3:15. So that's kind of the plan. We're just going to go with the flow, but I thought I'd take you along with me.
Did you ever stop and think why spend?
So I am so happy. I've just went on to check my analytics and we are now at 1,503 subscribers. Like, I can't believe you guys are actually enjoying my videos enough to subscribe and keep watching. It's like, I just love that. Like, this is a dream of mine, that I'll be able to have a YouTube channel and make content for you guys. So that's why I'm always asking for video ideas and stuff, because I want to make things that you want to watch. This is a channel for you guys, so I just love that people are actually subscribing. And I'm also on 3,000 watch minutes, and when that gets to 4,000 watch hours I will be able to monetize my channel, which means that I can make some money. Hello. I can make some money off adverts and things. Yes, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. What's your name?
Thomas.
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 Thomas what?
Thomas.
How old are you?
2.
2 years old. So when that gets to 4,000 I will be able to monetize my channel, which obviously I won't get a lot of money from, but still that's so exciting that I actually can like have adverts on my channel and stuff. It just makes it feel a little bit more legit, you know?
Oh, baby. Yeah.
Are you cute?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that.
Yeah, what are you playing? Thomas the Tank Engine?
No,
No, what is it?
that.
Oh. Oh, numbers! But yeah, it'll just make it feel a little bit more like a job, which is what I want. I want to do YouTube kind of as a job, and the dream is to be able to do that full time as a job, but obviously you need like a lot of subscribers to be able to do that. So we'll just see where God takes this channel, and if he wants me to continue with that, then I guess I'll continue to gain subscribers and things. So yeah, it's very exciting.
Did you ever stop and think why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe, but still you got me missing you. When I see you my heart starts
Okay, I
racing.
just got back. I thought I'd do a quick little haul just to show you what I got. I couldn't resist this little glass. It's just so cute with the bees and the flowers. I thought that would be perfect for like orange juice or apple juice in the morning, or even a small little coffee. So I couldn't resist that. It was 90 pence, so you know, couldn't resist. Then I just got a bag of lollipops because the boys absolutely love them, and I got a birthday card for one of Ryan's friends. We're gonna go find his present tonight. Some baby wipes, some sweets, and some Play-Doh for Thomas. He loves these colours, so Got some of them. You're gonna come and play with your Play-Doh?
Yeah.
There you go. And then I just got the boys their multivitamins. These are the strawberry ones and they're by the brand Haribo Orange. I will open it for you. Sorry if you can hear Dan, he's in the kitchen on the phone. Then we got Ryan this Avengers pack lunchbox. The boys both needed new ones because the inside, even though I keep washing them, is getting really gross. So Thomas chose this one, which is just Spider-Man. So as you can tell, they're both very into superheroes at the moment.
Yeah. This.
Sweetie.
Yes.
Yeah.
I love Sweetie.
I love sweeties too.
Yeah.
There you go. Then I just got fruit. I got pink lady apples and bananas. The boys also each got a water bottle. Thomas chose this dinosaur one, which he's actually had before, but it's all the dinosaurs have faded off. And I got Ryan this Marvel Avengers one to go with his pack lunchbox because, like I say, he loves them. I think I'm going to go make myself a little coffee in this now. Hopefully it will fit. I think it will. Should Mummy go make a coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah? Say hi.
Hi.
Should we take our coats off?
Yes.
Yes. You got your sweeties.
Stop them.
Should Mummy put some in a bowl for you because the bag's split and you're not eating all of them?
I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
Hi, so it is almost 2:30. Totally forgot that I was filming today, but you haven't missed much. I've been doing mainly housework, tidying up, hoovering, dusting, that kind of thing, laundry. But I thought I would quickly show you across my Notion website. A few of you asked for it. Is a free website where you can basically organise your whole life on it. It's free for personal use. Okay, so this is just what mine looks like. I've just got a really plain background at the moment. I kind of wanted a faith quote or something up here, but for now, that'll do. And then down here, I've just got my section. So I've got my daily section, which just has things like a habit tracker in. And then I've got here my morning routine, which just looks like this. And I just go on each morning and tick off everything that I've done. The plan is to do all of those things every day. And then evening routine, which just looks like this. And again, I'll go over this tonight and make sure that I do everything that I want to do. And then I've got journal. So in here, I'll just show you a blank one. I just write down what my intentions are for tomorrow or for the day, what happened each day, what I'm grateful for, what went well, and what could I have done better. And then I have my personal task list. So in here I write everything that I have to do, and then if I'm working on it, I can put it in the doing section, and when it's done, it can go across into the done section. So that's really handy to have. And then here I've just got a worship playlist that I've made on Spotify, and it just plays through all different Christian songs. There's actually a lot in there, but I can just click on that and then it will play my worship music while I'm looking through my Notion page. Then I've just got a family photograph, and over here is my work section. So I've just got my calendar here, which is just, you know, your basic calendar. And then I've got my work task list, which I won't open, but it's the same as my personal one, just with a lot more tasks on it. Meeting notes, if I'm in a meeting, I can take them on my iPad or on my phone or on my laptop. Notion works across all devices, so it's really useful. And then I've just got useful telephone numbers for work in just kind of a list form under there. Then I've got a faith section. So here I've set it up ready to do Bible studies. So I will just set up a box like this, and within it I will just type my notes. I'll title it and then put whatever notes I want to in there. And then my Bible reading tracker is just a list of all the books of the Bible, which I just tick them off as I read them. And then I have a prayer log, so within this I've got everybody's names, and then I will type in prayer requests here and tick when I've prayed for them. And then moving down, I've got this week's top priorities. I will tick them off as I go. I've got my goals here, which are like ridiculous goals, but you know, aim for the stars. And then I've just got my weekly schedule, which obviously I can add to as the week goes on, but I've kept it pretty simple for now. So that is my current Notion page. And I will leave links to this in the description box just in case you want to download it. It's not sponsored or anything. It's just a really useful tool to use. I'm about to go and get Ryan, and then I've got to go back to Asda, even though I've already been once today, to get one of his best friends his birthday present. He loves Spider-Man, so we need to go get him a Spider-Man toy. I got him a card and I got him some wrapping paper earlier today, but now we need to go get him an actual present because his birthday is this weekend, so we need to go get that once Ryan's finished school. And then I am going to come home and be in for the rest of the night because I am tired. I don't know if you can see by my face, but yeah, I'm really tired. I think when I have days like this where I'm not at work, sleep catches up with me. I have no idea why, but my plant has died. This was fine last week, but I don't know what's happened. I don't know if the roots have been dying slowly and I haven't noticed. Okay, so I've just got to Ryan's school and I have got my iPad with me. I like to sit and have a few minutes with this just in peace. Dan stayed home with Thomas, so I like this case because the pencil fits inside of it, so I can kind of just keep up with my Notion account, go through, check if there's anything that I can do while I'm just sitting in the car. So just to show you, it shows up exactly the same on your iPad, just as it does on the computer screens. So it's really useful, and anything I change, it's all online, so it changes across all devices. So let's just have a look. Another little thing that I've started to do is park quite far away from Ryan's school, not too far that he can't walk, but far enough that we both get a little bit of exercise in. It is quite a trek up to his school anyway, from the school gates up to actually where we get him out of the building, so anything extra is just always a bonus. So I park like probably, I mean, we're not talking much, it's probably like an 8-minute walk away from the car to his classroom. But still, that's like 16 minutes. It's a good little workout for us, especially if I've got Thomas, because I usually end up having to carry him halfway. So by the time I get up the hill to Ryan's classroom, I'm like exhausted. But anyway, and I'm also loving the fact that this new job I get Fridays off, so there's no kind of rush dropping him off to school and quickly trying to get to work. It's just nice and easy, and I can just kind of take my time and do this extra walk. So that's a bonus on a Friday.
Woman's been sick.
Oh, has he?
Can I go on one? It might take this. There.
It is now 8:30 at night. Thomas has gone to bed. Me and Ryan went to Asda. We got his friend a Spider-Man present. We've had our tea and we've been playing some games. We've had a game of Monopoly, Kids Monopoly, and some castle games and stuff. And now these two are watching. What are you watching?
Chicken Run.
Chicken Run. And I am just on editing this video, so I'm going to call it a night. I'm really tired now. I'm going to get this video edited and hopefully up tonight. If not, it'll be up tomorrow. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great